Classroom in the Wild is a one-week, non-credit course run through American University's School of Communication and sponsored by the Center for Environmental Filmmaking. The Chesapeake Bay provides an opportunity for the students to get out of the Washington, D.C. and National Capital Region environment. Within about an hour and a half's time, you're able to get out to an area that's fairly remote that provides an opportunity to be able to see a lot of different wildlife, as well as some pretty sweeping landscapes. For this year, we started the course off by basing out of Y Island Natural Resources Management Area, which is located in the bay. The next day, we visited the Chesapeake Bay Environmental Center, where we got a class on birds of prey, as well as had the opportunity to use the Seabeck grounds as a living laboratory to be able to film outdoors and get some nice footage. The second day, we were able to visit Blackwater National Resources Management Area. Blackwater is a really unique location because they have over 20,000 acres of protected marshlands. At Blackwater, the students were able to interview the head of the Friends of Blackwater, and as a part of that, not only brush up on interview skills, but also learn a little bit more about Blackwater and some of the issues that the Chesapeake Bay is facing today. One of the unique things that this course provides is the opportunity for instant feedback, both between the instructor and the student. The opportunity to essentially be able to show an instructor over their shoulder, what they're shooting, the challenges that they're having, maybe with equipment or exposure, for example. And so being able to actually work hand in hand with those students and spend a tremendous amount of time and not be constrained by, an hour and a half of a block schedule, for a week in a class, I think provides for a much more fulfilling learning experience, as well as a much more fulfilling and enjoyable teaching experience for me personally. The last portion of the course is the post-production phase, where we bring students back from Y Island to American University, sit them down in front of a computer and work with them on their footage to come away with some type of final project or rough cut. I get a tremendous amount of value out of working with students from the very beginning, and it's something that I derive a lot of passion from, sharing every bit of nugget of knowledge that I've ever picked up along the way. And I feel like this course is an opportunity to allow me to pay it forward and to share some of the information that folks have been kind enough to share with me.